Hi everyone, this is Bramesh, and in this video we'll discuss about the Nifty Bank Nifty USD analysis based on GAN, ASTRO and neural analysis techniques. So let's see what are the important ASTRO events happening in this week and how we can capitalize over them. So first is the base rule 19, which is important. Now Mercury conjunct Uranus in Helio, Mercury square Saturn in Helio. Helio means we are looking from the sun side, and Venus distance to the earth is minimum. These are the important events which are happening. Now these two which I've highlighted in yellow, they are very very major event because Mercury conjunct Saturn, sorry, Uranus. Now Mercury is an outer planet and Uranus is an Mercury is an inner planet and Uranus is an outer planet. And whenever these two things, inner and outer planet conjunct, generally leads to a good move in the market. So as you can see here, these are the inner planets, Mercury, Venus, Mars, and outer planets. These affect short-term prices, and outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus. These affect long-term prices and short-term in aspect. So very very important phenomenon. Now let's see what sectors gets ruled by Venus, because Venus is all about luxury. So Tata Motors, Titan, all the jewelry stocks should be in focus. Uranus is basically on the technology stocks. Saturn is basically on the capital intensive stocks like steel stocks, mining stocks, capital good. So what are the stocks which need to be focusing on? These are the stocks like Adani Ports, Bajaj Auto, Eicher Motors, Grasim Industries, Infosys. So watch out the first 15 minutes high and low for today, and EOD high and low for the whole week. These levels will be valid, and even TCS is coming with some buyback also. So this will keep these stocks in focus. First 15 minutes high and low, and end of the day high and low will be very important for the whole week. Now let's quickly see how these aspects have done it. So first is I'm looking at the moon cycle. Moon declination to the earth is zero. As you can see, this is a short-term cycle, but this is one of the most effective cycle in astrology. You can see many major small tops and bottoms getting formed. So this was a major top on 19th October when we formed, and this was again an intermediate top, intermediate bottom, intermediate bottom. This big rally which started from 27th, again this has its legs here. This was the bottom, and from there we are approaching this point. So today's first 15 minutes high and low will be very very important. Now let's apply another aspect which we are looking at. So I go to aspects. I am selecting Mercury. Now let's quickly look at this is a very very important aspect, Mercury conjunct Uranus and Helio. So this is Mercury conjunct is 0 degree, and I'm going for Uranus, and I want to see that in Helio, minus plus, and let me do the max orbit as 0. So I want that exact date when this particular aspect is forming. So this is forming today. Last time it happened here, and from there we made a top after 2 days. Again after 1 or 2 days we made a bottom. So this aspect shows its impact. So this was again a major bottom, a kind of intermediate top. So generally you can see whenever we will see a good trending move into the market. Now let me show you Venus distance to the earth is minimum. Very very important thing. Distance to the earth is minimum. Now this happens once in a year. So last time it happened, this is Tata Motors chart. It happened somewhere here. You can see a big trending move came in. And apart from that, this happens once in a year. So this you can mark it on your chart and keep it as a pivot. Like whenever it comes, see, this was the day. See here, it came here multiple times. It has taken support and resistance here, and we got a good trending move. So these are the three important astro events which are happening. Now let's quickly look at the neural analysis also. This is the neural analysis of Bank Nifty. It says that we can move up, move up. Topping is around 13th, and from there a small fall, and after 28 we can see a big fall in the market. So basically we can see some gap up today, small correction, and around 13 we can see a top at Bank Nifty for the week. And let's look at this is USD INR. It says that we can move up, move up, move up, and around 17 we can make a top and correction. uh, and then looking at Nifty, this is for Nifty. It says that today we can see a small gap up open, a small topping out formation today, kind of consolidation, and 13th a top, a dip from 13th, and from 15th a rally. And let's now quickly look at some important, from long-term perspective, this is the important shark pattern which is getting formed. So basically, if this high is breached, I mean the target, the PRZ zone is around 18,409, and for Bank Nifty, we have perfectly bounced from this Andrew pitchback, and this high is very important, which is 37,345. If that gets breached, then we can expect a big rally towards 41,000 also. So watch out for 37 100 to 37,345. And then let's quickly look at the, you know, yes, the important ABC. This low is very important low. If this is not breached, the uptrend can continue big time in Bank Nifty. So now let's quickly look at the levels also. So for Nifty 17888 is the trend changer level. These are the support and resistance. All are cash levels. Bank Nifty 37845. These are the levels which I'm watching out for. For Nifty, for USD INR 74.27, and these are mentioned for January contract. So that's about it. A small video on what can be seen in the market for the coming week. Stay disciplined, trade with right position size, and watch out for today's high and low. Mark this as a pivot because this is Venus. Minimum distance to the Earth happens once in a year. Very important phenomenon. Mark this as a pivot. It will give you good trending moves. Thank you very much. Stay disciplined. Bye bye.